Good morning, friends. In this video, we are going to see a concept, share market astrology. So upon the request of so many subscribers, we are posting this video. So before going to the video, we are going to make an announcement that we are planning to start a separate series on technical analysis for share markets. And also at the end of this video, you can see the trading proof which we have done in our account, which will give you enough confidence to trade on these concepts. So for the sake of that, we are posting that also. Now, there are three rules which has to be followed. First is the horoscope should promise income through share market. Second is Dasa Bhukti should support. Third is the transit. As Guruji says, the horoscope should promise income through share market and the transit. These both are important. So we are taking these and we are going to explain in this video. First is the horoscope should support income through share market. For this, the fifth lord should be connected to 2, 8 and 11th houses. I repeat, the fifth lord should be connected to 2, 8 and 11th house. 2 is money, 11 is gain, 8 is others income. 5th is speculation, as we all know. In the chart above, we can see the Lagna is Taurus and the 5th house is Virgo. The owner is Mercury and he is placed in the 11th house. He is also the second lord. So 2, 5, 11 is connected and Mercury is in the constellation of Jupiter, which is the lord of 8 and 11. So 2, 5, 8, 11 combination is clearly established. Now trading or investment activities can be done in this chart. The next step, the chart on the right side, is a transit. So as we have mentioned in our GMP introduction video, that Purva Punya and Bhagya is very important in GMP method, 311. So we will take 311 for each houses to find out the Purva Punya of that house. Say if someone is asking about marriage, take 7 and 311. Take 7th house and the 3rd house and 11th house for 7th house. Similarly for education, 4th house and 311. Here it is speculation. So we are taking 5th house. Here 5th house is Virgo, Mercury. 3rd house is Scorpio, Mars. And 11th house is Moon. We are taking only the owners. Here occupants are not important. Only owners are important in GMP. So Mercury, Mars and Moon. So on the transit chart, we can see on 7th April 2020 at 10:25, the day was Tuesday, Mars. And Nakshatra was Hasta in Virgo, just starting. And the Lagna on which trade was done was Gemini, that is Mercury. Here the Lagna means GMP Lagna, not software Lagna. So day lord is Mars, star lord is Moon, and the Lagna lord is Mercury. Mercury, Mars, Moon. That is 5, 3, 11 to the natal chart. All are being connected. And also one more thing to note here is, in our previous video, we have mentioned how to make money using Prasna. In that we have mentioned about the Panabara degrees, Kendra, Panabara, Apoklima. So the Panabara divisions are 4 divisions. Here in this chart, transit chart, Moon is transiting at 10 degrees, which is one of the Panabara degrees, that is 10 to 12:30. So that is also tallying. And also the 11th lord for 5th house is Moon, which is transiting in the 5th house. And also the 3rd lord to 5th house as per natal chart is Mars in transit, that is aspecting the 11th house to 5th house, that is Cancer. So these are the favorable factors and the setup is ripe to make a trade. So now in the next chart you can see the graph. As we promised, we told you are going to show the proof. So we can see the arrow mark which shows the buy price, which is around 448.90 paise, and in 2 hours it went up to 468, which is shown in the right side and the circled in yellow color, which is approximately 5 to 6% return in less than 2 hours. So why we have bought here, as mentioned in the arrow mark, that is a separate topic, that is on technical analysis, so that we will discuss in the video later. That's a separate topic. So which doesn't, we don't have time to explain this, that's a separate topic. So the next video, next clipping, you can see the trading contract, which is sent by the share broker and NSE. There you can see at 10:25 17 seconds we have bought the share name is also there, and pan number and quantity you have purposefully erased, that is for some confidential reason, business, etc., etc. That is a separate thing. So why we are showing this here is, we are not just one of the guys who just teach and run away. We will trade with our own money, our own account, and show the proof, so that it will give confidence to our students and also traders. So next thing is, we are planning to start a technical analysis series, as we mentioned in the beginning of the post. So anyone is interested in that, they can comment or send messages in the WhatsApp. The number is given in the description section, so that we can decide whether you have to start or not based on our subscribers' response. So if you have any doubts in this, you can comment. The techniques discussed above is one of the techniques. There are so many techniques using astrology. We have just discussed only one among them. We will try to discuss whenever we get time, and we'll post some separate videos regarding this. So if you have any doubts, you can comment. That's all for the day. Take care. Bye.